Good morning, beautiful people. Just wanted to share with you today our humble abode here in Kigali, Rwanda. So first, we're coming up to our apartment. Here is our garden view. It is lovely. A place to hang or wash and hang your clothes. We have a porch area. I just love it. Even the art, it just speaks to me. And this is our view from the porch. It's so beautiful. Okay, all right, come on, let's go in. Check out the apartment. And here's my husband, Aaron.
Oh, you live? Yo, we are the unapologetic nomads. We were unapologetically
nomadic.
Yes.
So this is our dining living room area. I just love the furniture. It's very, very African. They take the wood and just carve it out. The cushions are very comfortable, by the way. And just check out the art. I just love it. Wow. A dining area. And that's our view from the dining room table. Coming into the kitchen, we have our full range, very nice. And everything you need, microwave, water kettle, your fridge, coffee pot, even down to the silverware. I mean, you don't need anything. You just kind of move in here with your luggage. Everything you need is in here. Cooking utensils, everything. Oh my goodness. It's amazing. Even pots. That's under the sink there. Got your dishes. Your glass, plateware, everything. Everything. Okay. So let's check out the rest of the apartment. Okay, this first room here, it's a bathroom. Bathroom with the light. Jetted shower, I just love it. Nice. Okay. Let's go move on down the hallway. Okay, this is the master suite. Master suite. That big thing is a safe. There are closets in every room. Again, the artwork, I just love it. Got your side tables. We even have a porch area here from the master suite. It's pretty quiet back here. There's no one else back here, so it's private. We even have like the lighting. You can turn it on if you want to go out at night. Just love it. And we have a bathroom in here. It's the main door bathroom. Another jetted shower. I love it. Yes. Okay. And there's another bedroom here. Wait. Just a light here. Another bedroom. Bless you. Another bedroom. And of course, again, closets in every room. Your side table. Side tables. And then let's move on down this way to Ayla's room. There's Ayla, she's on her iPad. Hi. So her room has 3 beds, so perfect. So if we've ever had guests, people have a place to sleep or whatever, you know. Oh my goodness, the artwork is fantastic. See, we're just moving in and have all our luggage everywhere. And that is our apartment. So this is what we're up to right now. And just wanted to share that with you. Thank you for checking it out, tuning in to our channel. We're gonna sign out.
Oh yeah. And peace out to the family. Peace out to all our friends. We love y'all. We appreciate y'all. To all of our subscribers, we thank you. And we appreciate you.
Absolutely.
Yes, we do. We have some good content coming. We see your comments. We're going to answer those questions in the near future. Peace!